Hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm alright, thank you very much. You know, one week, after studying the letters for 2 months, I and Naya prepared a very fun activity. Naya, could you please tell us about the activity?
It's called the Alphabet Challenge.
Good. Yes. What are the students going to do?
They're going to press on the alphabet and find it in order.
Very good. Are they going to do this in groups?
Yes.
Well done. Naya, could you please help me divide the class into groups?
Yes.
So, this group is called...
Butterfly.
Very good. This group is called...
Cats.
Well done. This group is called...
Apples.
Apples. And this group is called...
Bananas.
All right. Naya, tell us one more time. What are the students going to do?
They're going to go press on the alphabet and find it in order.
Very good. How much time do they have?
60 seconds.
All right. Are you ready, 1B?
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Yeah!
All right. Let's get started. All right. So, Naya, please invite the first team to the stage. So, butterfly team to the stage, please. All right. Are you ready, butterfly?
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Yes!
All right. Start when you're ready. Ready, steady, go. Quicker, 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 quicker. Well done. You're doing really well. Faster. 52, 51, 50.
50, 49, 48,
No, you can help her. You can help your team.
46, 45,
Help her.
44,
One letter.
43,
Good.
42, 41, 40,
Faster, faster, faster.
39, 38,
Well done. You're doing well, but you need to be
37,
faster.
36, 34, 33,
Good job.
32,
There.
31, 30,
Well done.
29, 28, 27,
Good job.
26,
Faster, faster, faster.
25, 24, 23, 22,
You're running out of
21,
time.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16,
Running out of time. Which
15,
letter are you looking
14,
for?
13,
Letter F.
12, 11,
Letter-
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
All right. Thank you very much, butterfly team. Naya, what score did they get?
60.
Could you please write their score here? So, butterfly team, your score is 60. Well done for that, but you need to be better. Naya, could you please invite the second team?
Yeah, come.
All right, Cats team, to the stage, please. Are you ready?
Yeah!
You're excited?
Yeah!
All right, Naya, could you please remind them, how much time do they have?
60 seconds.
All right, so you need to be really fast. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Ready, Cats?
Yes!
All right, let's get started.
You should be quickly.
Yes, well done. Start.
Don't cry.
Quicker, quicker, quicker. Faster. Faster.
Dude.
Which letter are you looking for? Well done. Good job, you're doing well. After that, what letter comes after letter D?
E.
E. Where's letter E? Good job. Well
F.
done. F.
G.
After F.
G.
Look for letter G. Where's letter G, Roa?
You done
Letter
with
G. Good job. Well done. 28, 27.
H.
You're running out of time.
H.
Faster, faster, fast.
I.
Faster.
J.
Well done. J.
K. K.
K. Where's letter K? All right. Faster, faster, faster. Faster. Well done.
N.
All right.
N.
One.
O.
All right. Thank you very much, Cats. Yes. What is the score, Naya?
70.
70, yes, please. Could you please write the score here? All right. Apples, are you excited?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you going to score the highest?
Yeah!
All right, let's see.
Probably.
Ready, steady, go.
Can I actually help them?
Quicker, quicker, quicker. All right.
E.
Well, apples.
E.
Well done. Apples team is doing really, really well.
F.
F.
I.
Good job.
H. H.
Hey, she can help them a bit.
I.
Well done. Faster, faster.
J.
J. Where's letter J? Look for letter J. Good job. Faster.
K.
L. Letter L. What comes after letter L?
N.
M. Faster, faster.
O.
No,
N. O. P.
Faster. Well done. 10 seconds left. 8, 7, 6,
R.
5,
O.
3, 2, 1. Wow. Apples. Well done for that. Naya, what score did they get?
95.
Can you please write their score there?
Yes.
Well done, apples.
There was the
So
highest.
here we go. We've got Banana's team. Are you ready?
There was the
Excited?
There was the highest.
Really?
Yes.
So far, yes. Apples.
No,
yeah.
it was 5-5.
Yes, 95. Thank you very much. So apples scores the highest. Now let's see bananas. Are you ready? Yeah. Right. Ready, steady, go. Well done. Faster. Faster, faster, faster. Good job. You're doing well. Well done.
95.
Letter F. What comes after letter F? G. Well done. Faster, faster, faster. J. Where's letter J? Look for letter J.
K.
K. Well
L.
done. Where's letter L?
O.
Running out of time. Hurry up.
N. N.
M. O.
O.
M. N. Yes. O. Very good.
P. Q.
9, 8, 7, 6,
S.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Thank you very much.
Oh my goodness.
Banana. All right. Naya, what score did they get?
85.
Can you please write their score there?
That was so close. They were so close beating up this team.
Yes, yes. Well done for that. So they got 85. All right. Naya, could you please inform the teams? What score did they get so far? Butterfly,
60.
cat,
70.
apples,
95.
and bananas.
85.
All right. One more round. Are you excited? Yeah! All right. This time...
And apples win. Right?
No, not yet. We still have another round.
Okay.
Naya. All right. All right. Now for the second round. Are you all excited? Yeah! Excited? Yeah! All right. Naya, please invite Butterfly team to the stage. Butterfly.
Come on,
This
go.
time you need to be faster. You got 60. You need to score higher. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go. Quicker, quicker.
C.
Very good.
E.
Faster.
E.
Where's letter E?
F.
Good job.
G. H.
Where's letter H? Look for letter H. Someone can help.
I.
Where's letter I?
I'm trying to prove to my God.
All right. M. N. Where's letter M? Good job. P.
P.
Where's letter Q?
Q.
Faster, faster.
R. S.
Where's letter S?
T.
Quicker,
U.
Ian.
V. W.
W. X. Y.
Y. Z.
All right. You are really close. So, what score did they get, Naya? I think they got 125.
No. I think
So, this is
No,
Butterfly.
I think so they
Well
got-
done, Butterfly. You got 125. 1, 2, 5. Well done. Butterfly team is doing really well. Good for that. Now, let's invite Cats team. Are you ready, Cats? To the stage, please. All right. You need to be faster than
You should be a good sport.
Ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Ready, go. Quicker. Very good. Faster, faster. Cats. All right. One more time.
D.
Where's letter D? Good job.
After
Letter. Well done.
After, can I do it by myself?
Yes. Letter G. What comes after letter G?
H. G.
What's letter H? Help your friend.
I.
Letter I. All right.
J.
Where's letter J?
I just been.
All right. K. Where's letter L? Faster. You're running out of time.
M.
10,
No.
8, 7, 6,
P.
2, 1. All right. Naya, what score did they get?
70.
Yes, they got
70.
70.
Again.
Again. Yeah. So far, you got 2 70s. Yes. Well done. All right. Now, Apple's teams. To the stage, please.
I think the apple will look good. I think the apples will do good.
Let's see then. So far, 60, 125.
Just start.
Let's see apples. Ready, apples?
Yeah.
Stop, please. Faster, faster.
C.
Faster.
D.
Apples,
E.
you need to do well. You need to be faster.
F.
Well done.
G.
What's letter G?
H. I.
I. Faster.
J.
What's letter J?
K. K. L.
L. What's letter L? L. Look for letter L. Good job.
M. O. N. N. O. P. Q.
Faster, faster.
Q. R.
Have time.
S.
S. T.
T. U.
Letter U.
V.
V.
W. X. Y. Z.
Yes, they did it. They scored the highest. What is their score, Naya? 132. Yes. Could you please write down the score
Yeah.
here? 132. Well done, apples. You did really, really well. Now let's see bananas team. Bananas to the stage. Are you ready?
Be a good sport.
Ready, steady, go. Faster, faster, faster. D, what's letter D? Faster. Faster. You need to be super fast, as fast as Sonic. Oh. Bananas. After H, where's letter I?
Who wants the warning? Who wants the warning?
All right. What comes? Yes, J. Where's letter J? Letter J. J, okay. You're running out of time. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much, apples. What score did they get, Naya?
15.
Yeah. 15 or 50?
50.
All right. Could you please write the score here? 50. Now it's the time to announce the results. Let's see who won. All right. Naya, let's see butterfly. 60, they got 60 and 125.
That's not a lot.
All right. Cats, 70 and 70.
No.
Apples, 95, 132. Bananas, 85 and 50. All right, so let's see who will win. Butterfly, 60 plus 125
60, 125.
equals, so again, 60 plus 125, 85, 185?
185.
Yes. So here, can you please write 185? So this is
1 and the 1.
85.
8, 5.
All right. Now here, 70 plus 70, 140. So 148. This is the final one. So here, this is the final one. All right. So 70, 140 now. Not 48. Here should be 0. Yes. All right. 95. Good job. 95 plus 132. 227. Naya. 2, 2, 7. 2, 2, 7. All right. Wow. That's really good. 85 plus 50. 135. Naya. 135. All right. So, who's the winner?
Apples.
Who's the winner?
Apples.
Let's clap for Apples team. Clap for them, everyone. Well done, Apples team. You did it. You did really well.
Sorry.
Apples teams, can you please come to the stage?
Good job, judges.
I want you all to clap